Hey guys, hope everyone is great. Today is my day one of the 15-day challenge. I thought we could start by defining what is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing model where individuals or companies promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale or action generated through our promotional efforts. This is a win-win situation. As affiliates, we earn passive income by promoting products that we believe in. At the same time, businesses benefit from increased exposure and sales without upfront marketing cost. Our roles as affiliates is to act as links between companies and potential customers. We can leverage our online presence, such as blogs, websites, social media platforms, to promote products or services. Affiliates can be bloggers, influencers, content creators, or even regular peeps with an online presence who want to monetize their platforms. When someone becomes an affiliate, they receive a unique affiliate link or code from the company they are promoting. We can then share this link with our audience, directing them to the company's website. How does tracking this work? The unique link or code enables companies to track the traffic and sales generated by us accurately. This ensures that affiliates receive our fair commissions. Commissions can be based on a percentage of the sale, a fixed amount per sale, or even a recurring commission for a subscription-based services. Our commission is actually 25% per life of the customer's purchases, which is pretty awesome. Affiliate networks serve as the go-between for affiliates and companies, providing a platform for affiliates to discover and join multiple affiliate programs, or you can just join one great one like ours. Affiliate marketing offers numerous advantages, requires minimal upfront investment, as we do not need to create products or handle customer support. It also provides flexibility, as we can work from anywhere, choose our promotional strategies. Additionally, it allows for passive income potential, as successful affiliate campaigns can generate ongoing revenue. There is, of course, challenges, and it's not a get-rich-quick concept. While affiliate marketing can be lucrative, it requires dedication and consistent effort. Building an audience, creating quality content, and standing out among competitors can be challenging. It's important to set realistic expectations and understand that success may take time. In conclusion, affiliate marketing has become a multi-billion-dollar industry, attracting individuals and businesses worldwide. Its continuous growth indicates the potential it holds for those willing to learn and apply effective strategies. If you want to learn more about our program, I left the links in the description below. Check it out. Have a great day and see you on the inside.